Home Remedies presents.
Nothing works like clove oil on acne, blemishes, wrinkles and sagging skin. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will share with you a very easy and simple way that will treat many of your skin issues other than just those which are mentioned. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. So guys, I have already shared a video earlier on how to make your own clove oil at home. I will share the link in the description and pinned post for those who didn't watch. Clove oil is fabulous for fighting the signs of aging. Just dab few drops of clove oil onto a piece of cotton and apply it on your face at least twice a day. You would see a marked change in your appearance within days, as far as wrinkles and sagging skin is concerned. Clove oil contains a compound called eugenol, which is known for its antibacterial properties. It can prove effective in curing acne, reduce swelling and kill infectious bacteria at the same time. How to apply? Just mix 2 to 3 drops of pure clove oil with your skin cream and apply gently. Alternatively, you can just take few drops of clove oil and dab it on your acne. You have to use it like a spot treatment in this case. You can add a pinch of turmeric for a patch treatment. Leave it overnight and wash it off in the morning. You will see the results very soon. It is preferred to use the clove oil at night. Try it. It will not only cure but prevent acne as well, and will lighten the blemishes to the maximum.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.